Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on using the WordPress Media Library. In this session, you will follow a series of clear and detailed instructions that will guide you through accessing your WordPress account and effectively navigating the media management tools available within your dashboard. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will see the login option. Click on the login link to start the sign-in process. This initial step is essential as it allows you to securely access your account and all of its features. After clicking on login, you will be presented with the option to sign in. Here, choose the option labeled Continue with Google. This method simplifies the sign-in process by letting you use your existing Google credentials rather than entering a username and password manually. When you click this option, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Simply choose the one you prefer to use for accessing WordPress. By selecting your account, you grant WordPress the necessary permissions to sign you in, ensuring you can continue directly to the platform dashboard without delay. Once you have successfully logged into WordPress, navigate to the media section. The media area is an important part of your WordPress experience, as it provides a central location to manage all your images, videos, documents, and other media files. You can reach the media section by following the link provided on the dashboard or via the primary navigation menu. This section is designed to offer a visual library of everything you have uploaded so far, which makes organizing your content much easier. Within the media area, you will notice options near the top that allow you to add or import new media files. Two prominent features are the Add Media File option and the Import Media option. These features let you either upload new files from your computer or bring in media from external sources, ensuring that your library stays current with the latest content. This step is especially useful when you need to quickly expand your media collection without navigating away from the current screen. Below these options, the system provides various filtering capabilities. These filters help you narrow down the visible files, making it easier for you to find exactly the media item that you are looking for. Whether you need to locate a specific image or video among many, using the filters can significantly reduce the time it takes to scroll through the library. On the right side of the media library interface, you will find a dedicated search function. This search box is an efficient tool for quickly pinpointing a file by name, description, or other metadata. Simply type in a few letters or keywords, and the system will display a list of matching media items. Further down, you will be able to see a table or list view of your media library. This organized list format is especially helpful for managing a large number of files, as each entry typically shows vital information such as file names, dates, and file types. With the list open, you can easily review and manage your media collection. Lastly, the interface provides practical controls for each media item. For every file in your library, you have easy access to functions that allow you to edit details, delete a file, view it in greater detail, copy its URL for sharing or embedding, or download it directly to your computer. These versatile options ensure that you have complete control over each piece of content stored in the library. Throughout the process, these tools and functions are designed to provide you with a streamlined and intuitive experience when managing your WordPress media. By following these steps, you will gain the confidence and proficiency needed to add, search, filter, and manage your media effortlessly. Enjoy this organized and efficient approach to handling your online content as you work within the WordPress media library.